Hi all, welcome to my channel again. So today we are going to discuss about the cheat sheet on Linux and GitHub. In the previous, this is the summary of what I have been discussing in the past days of 90 days of DevOps challenge. So in the past videos, 14 videos which I have released on my YouTube channel, there I have discussed everything which I am going to discuss here. So there I have discussed detailedly. So this is just a cheat sheet which will give you preview of what I have discussed there. So this in this blog I have already mentioned everything. So you can check this blog from this link which I will be keeping in the description box. You can check out from there. So let's start. So these are the Linux commands. So Git and GitHub commands I will show you after this. So first is the Linux commands. I have separated them, both of them. And pwd is the command to check current working directory. And these are the list commands. So ls will give you the files and folders in the present directory. ls-a will display you hidden files. And ls-l will display the long listing of files. ls-r will give you the recursive listing. So -t will give you the files in order of the time. -r is to list the files in reverse order. -i will display the index numbers. And the directory commands, if you use cd path, it will navigate to the specific folder to the path which you are giving. Cd dot dot will move to the previous directory. Cd dot dot slash dot dot will move to folders back. Cd hyphen moves to the previous directory. Cd tilde moves to navigate. It will take you to the home directory. mkdir directory name will create a new directory with the directory name. If you give dot, it will create a hidden directory. If you separate the directory names with space, then it will create the multiple directories. rmdir name will remove that directory. So if you want to give permissions while creating the directory itself, then you can just use this command mkdir-m and the permission like 777 or 000, anything you want, and the directory name. Then you can create the directory with the permissions which you want. And the next is the operations in files slash folders. So cat file name, so it will display the content of the file. Chmod permission and file, so provides read write execute permissions in the file. History, it will give you all the commands which you have executed in the past. rm/rmdir deletes files and folders. So touch command will create a empty file. vi is the editing tool, so it using vi we can edit our file. Tile command, so this will show the contents of from the bottom of the line. If you give 3 in the place of n, then it will show you the 3 bottom lines in the file. So diff command, it will show you the difference between the two files, the file 1 and file 2. And the set FACL, so this will provide user access permission on the folder and files. Get FACL shows the current file folder user access in detail. Package installation, for package installation also I have showed you in the previous sessions. apt install package, so this will install the package. It will update the package, and systemctl commands will start stop enable the packages, software packages which you have on your system. So if you want to start the service, you can use this, and this is for stop the service, this is for enabling the service to get it active. So these are the Linux, all the commands which I have discussed in the past sessions. So this is the cheat sheet which will give you the preview of what I have discussed. You can go back and check those videos if you want to know about those in detail. Now let's go to Git and GitHub commands. So Git init will initialize your Git in a folder. Then Git add, if you give file name, then it will add that file name to the staging area. If you give dot, then it will move all the files in your present working directory to the staged area. So git stage status, it will show the current status of the file that is to be staged, like it is going to be in the untracked files or it is on staged area. Everything it will show if you use git status command. Git commit -m message, it moves the files to tracked. So of if this will be committed with a message, so that files can be tracked with a specific commit id. And the next is git remote -v, it will give you the remote connections on your repository. Checks the git repository. So git remote add origin repo url, it maps your folder to the GitHub repo. And the clone, it will clone all the files from remote repository to your local. So git push origin branch name will push the branch, and then git pull origin branch name, it pulls the git pull origin branch name, it will pull the files from the remote to local. And this is the configuration steps which I have discussed in the previous videos. So git config user dot name, here this will be the username which you will be creating while when you create your GitHub account. So this is the mail ID which you might have used for creating the GitHub account. Git branch shows all the branches and also will show you the current branch that you are in. Git checkout -b branch name creates a new branch. Git checkout branch name, it will navigate to the this branch name. So git reset head file name, so it is used to unstage a file and bring changes back to the working directory. Git revert, so git revert commit id, so this will revert the changes which you have committed. And git merge, it will merge the two branches and adds commits on the top of two branches. And git rebase, it will integrate changes, like if feature branch is having 2 3 commit ids, it will add those commit ids to the master branch when you are merging using the rebase command. Git stash, it will temporarily stores the files into some space so that you can retrieve it anytime. And git cherry pick, it will pick some specific commit IDs and add that from one branch to the another. So all of these commands I have already explained you detailedly in the previous channel and also showed you practically. So if you want to check out in detail, you can check my previous videos. So this is just a preview, like cheat sheet on Linux and Git and GitHub until what I have discussed in the previous videos. So thanks for watching my video. If you want to check out this blog, you can check from this link which I will be mentioning in the description box. Thanks for watching.